What's up, YouTube? It's been a while, guys. My name is John Zat. Okay, asanteni kwa kuendelea kusubscribe na kuview my YouTube channel. Okay, today nataka niwafundishe on just a simple way you can do a perfect dodge and burn. I know kuna macro dodge and burn, collective, kuna controlling, but all the stuffs are pretty good. But for me, I'm just trying to teaching you a good way you can do a dodge and burn on your image, not macro, not collective, not controlling, but just a good way. Yani nataka niwaelekeze namna ya kufanya dodge and burn, sio macro, sio controlling, wala sio collective. Yani unajua, though three of them are really nice on beauty images, but sometimes unapofanya dodge and burn, just kwa mfano hii hapa picha. Hii picha nimefanya controlling, nimefanya na collective. Hapa kwa mfano ngoja ni hide these layers as tukaenda preview hapa hii picha. Hii picha ni low file ambayo nilifanya challenge kutoka kwa Poly Imagery pamoja na Collab Studios. As I did, you can see I did a good work. Really good work. Ngoja ni hide layers zote hizi ili niwaoneshe simple one by one. Okay, this was a raw image. Nilipokuwa nimefanya processing kwenye Capture One, nikafanya cleaning as you can see, nikafanya cleaning, then nikafanya lips retouching as you can see here. My lips are really good. Hapa nilifanya lips retouching. After hapo nikafanya collective dodge and burn as you can see. Hii ni collective. After hapo nikatoa lashes, remove lashes. Umeona hapa hivi hizi lashes you see they were not good here. So what I did, I clean it, straighten it, and nikazinyosha ziwe fresh. Then nikafanya frequency separation. As you can see, my frequency separation here was like this. After hapo then nikafanya dodge and burn. This was controlling dodge and burn. After hapo nikafanya color grading as you can see. Then nika clean eyes and teeth, no, eyes only. Then nika add catch light as you can see. After hapo nikatengeneza another layer, nika reduce some textures, nikafanya curve, brighten skin tones, nika add some digital skin textures, then nika sharpen. So this was a work kama 2 hours nimetumia kutengeneza hii picha, but leave it. So for now mimi nataka niwaelekeze just a simple way you can do dodge and burn. Achana na collective, achana na controlling. So if you are a beginner and you need to do dodge and burn, it's good for you to learn 3 of them: controlling, macro and collective. But according to our industry, if you're a beginner and you need to add some shinies, just a simple trick for dodge and burn, achana navyo hivyo kwanza, vitakupotezea muda. Maana uwezo kufanya collective, controlling pamoja na macro kwenye headshot ambayo haitaenda sehemu yote ile, awe mwenyewe ufanye beauty. Unajua hizi wanafanya watu wanafanya beauty headshot peke yake, but tukiangalia most of photographers hatufanyi beauty, tunafanya ni mix ya mtu anafanya beauty, anafanya studio portraits, anafanya fashion. So hauwezi kufanya picha zote dodge and burn, yani ufuate any step zote, ufanye collective, ufanye controlling, then ufanye macro. Hapana, hiyo itakuwa ni uongo. So hapa nataka niwafundishe namna unaweza kufanya dodge and burn just simple and clear. Okay, so I will delete these all layers. Let me hold shift up to here, then I will delete it, and this dodge and burn I will delete it. So it will remain like this only. Hapa kutakuwa kuna frequency separation only. So you can use my actions. If you don't have it, you can send a DM on my Instagram at Jadena, or you can leave a comment and I will send it to you, my actions. Okay, so I will click on dodge and burn like this. This is my dodge and burn layer. Then I click black and white layer adjustment. Okay, so in order to see clear my skin, I should zoom out like this, zoom in like this. And then I will turn off my frequency separation layer so that I could see the natural image. I can see shadows, highlight, both clearly. Tofauti na hii hapa nikiacha on ile ya frequency separation inakuwa inaonyesha zaidi nimebrush. So sometimes unapo brush unafanya pia na collecting, unafanya na jembani hapo. So turn off this. As you can see, naona naturally picha ilivyoshutiwa na shadows and highlights zilivyokuwa. Then let's pull out kidogo like this, reds and yellows like this, so the image will be like this. It is a pretty good one, so you can determine where is the shadows. Let me show you something. So this, the red one, it's a highlights. Pia hapa kuna highlights, hapa kuna highlights, na hizi pia ni highlights. Okay, I will only do at the face. And then kuna shadows. Shadows ni hizi hapa. These are shadows, and this one here, shadows. As you can see, the reds are for highlights and the blues are for shadows. Kwa unapokuwa unafanya dodge and burn, zingatia hivi vitu viwili. Dodge is for highlights, here, and burn is for shadows. Kwa unapokuwa unafanya dodge and burn, just, I know most of you guys mnafahamu dodge is for brightening and burn is for darkening. So highlights and shadows. Highlights are brighter, shadows are darker. So you can use those dodge here and then burn at the dark places. Okay, we should start. Let me do this layer here and then we shall continue. So hapa ndo trick inapokuja ukitaka kufanya dodge and burn. Unapokuwa unafanya headshot ambayo inakuwa ni very close up, sana ni headshot, tumia values ndogo. I don't know guys, wengine unakuta natumia kaweka level moja inakuwa ni opacity ya maybe 15 na flow 13. I don't use that, but let me show you something. Hapa kwenye flow, just make it 1%, and then kwenye opacity release to 80%. Don't ask me why I'm using this, just follow this space. Yani msiniulize kwa nini nafanya hivi, but just follow it. See what I'm doing, and if it please you, utakuwa unafanya dodge and burn kama black. But if it not please you, just do it your own way umezoea kufanya. Okay, let's start for dodge ambazo tunaanza na highlights. So I will increase my blush. Make sure it's a soft blush. Hardness inakuwa ni 0 kabisa. And I will start here painting on my highlights like this. And then we come in here like this, and here like this. These are highlights. Make sure you paint them correctly. Highlights, and up here these are highlights, and this one highlights. Yani usifanye sana, fanya kidogo, maana ukifanya too much, ukibrush sana itakuwa ni hard, haitakuwa na muonekano mzuri. Just do it slowly and perfectly, as you can see before and after. Okay, then tunakuja kwenye burn. Sasa kwenye burn hapa tuna these dark places. So hapa nita blush like this, nita paint here, then I will come here, then here. After that I will come here. Here, just follow my steps guys unapokuwa una brush. Na kwenye mouse pia hapa kidogo hizi kuna sehemu kuna shadows, so nita blush like this. Just simple, usifanye too much. Ukifanya too much unaharibu shape ya uso, kila kitu. Yani slowly, yani fanya kidogo sana, as you can see before and after. Then after that tuna turn off hii black and white layer ili to preview kwa kuona kabisa na tone zote RGB, not black and white. As you can see before and after kuna kitu kimeongezeka. Then hapa before and after, as you can see, before kuna kitu kimeongezeka tofauti na mwanzo ilikuwa. Let me turn off this dodge and burn layer, as you can see before and after. Usifanye too much. Ukifanya too much utapoteza shape ya uso, kila kitu. Mtu ataona mbele kapako mashilingi. So just do it slowly but perfectly. Then turn on this frequency separation layer like this. After that, turn on the black and white. Then I will do it again slowly. Dodge on the highlights. And then burn on the shadows. Just slow like that. And then I will do it permanent, this black and white layer, and then leave it to his. As you can see, picha yangu haijabadilika muonekano popote pale. Shine zimeongezeka, as you can see like this. Okay, if kama you need to add more, sana ni upande wa kutengeneza kwenye shavu. Labda sasa ndo tunafanya na collective hapa na contouring tunaifanya hapa na macro ni hapa. Okay, so it is same the shavu pia unatakiwa zote na dark kidogo ili kutengeneza shape ya shavu. So I pull like this, paint slowly, and here just slowly, and then here. After that I will come here. Sasa sehemu ya lips hapa unatakiwa zoom kidogo, then utaanza kudu. Hii ni shadows, so it will be burned then. So I will paint here ili kutengeneza lips iwe na muonekano mzuri, iwe na mng'ao fulani hivi, yani kila kitu kimekaa. Basi nitakuja hapa hivi, huku nitafanya sana makizi ni lips tu, natakiwa zi shine, so lazima niongeze shining kwa kutumia dodge and burn. Yes, as you can see, mbona lips zilivyokuwa. Okay, then nitakuja sehemu ya kidevu hapa pia nitaongeza shine kidogo. As you can see, so I group this layer, as you can see, before and after. Picha ina muonekano mzuri, dodge and burn imekaa very perfectly, and simple and clear. Muonekano umebadilika, as you can see kuna shine zimeongezeka, picha imejishape kabisa. Lakini unakuta kuna mtu kafanya too much, kapaka dodge and burn, yani kafanya dodge and burn, ka blush, katumia mwanga umekuwa too much paka unaona kabisa this is inakuwa mbaya. Unatakiwa ufanye just slowly like this, just slowly like this, slowly like this. Okay, kama ukiona kuna sehemu pamezidi sana, unaweza ka double click hapa kwenye layer mask yako, double click, then unapunguza feather kidogo. Feather is like this, ongeza maybe slim like this. Do the same to the burn layer mask, na penye unaongeza kidogo like this. Hii inasaidia kupunguza nanili, kama umefanya too much sana, unasaidia kupunguza zile feathers, edges za blush ambazo ulikuwa umetumia, and it will be like this. It is really nice guys, and unaweza kuona hapa, it is really nice dodge and burn, just simple and clear. Asikudanganye mtu kwamba lazima ufanye collective, ukimaliza hapo ufanye contouring, ukimaliza contouring ufanye macro. No, that is wasting of time guys. Maybe if inahitajika ufanye hivi, but if it's not necessary, just do it simple and clear like this. Sio lazima ufanye contouring, ufanye collective, ufanye hapana. Just do it like this. It's very nice. It's simple and clear. Not wasting much time doing contouring, collective. No. That's a waste of time. Maybe if unafanya picha inaenda billboard, au maybe mtu yakulipa more money. If someone pays you a little bunch of money, so you should do, yani unatakiwa ufanye trip of them. But if it's just a photo shoot session for your clients, maybe clients yeye haangalii dodge and burn, yeye anaangalia picha na muonekano upi. So guys, just do it simple and clear like this, as you can see, before and after, before and after. After that tafanya color grading. Yes, I have my LUTs. Let me try. my life. Okay, Brighton, let me do this one. Yes, you can see my skin tone light imekuwa ni very clean before and after. Then that reduce opacity kidogo. This is called Jones Art. Lights, then kuna Jones Art black 1, black 5 out, then kuna this before out. As you can see, my skin tone lights pair are really good. You can try to buy it and use them, as you can see. Okay then, thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching. I was just trying to teach you on how you can do simple dodge and burn, short, nice, clear, perfect like this. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like my YouTube channel. I will be releasing tutorials every time. Kadri ya uwezo wangu nitajitahidi kuelewesha, so you need to kunizoea, kwanza kunifuatilia. Okay, follow my Instagram page at Judena au Jones Art. Thank you so much for your time.